Enabling or disabling usage and diagnostics on the Galaxy S24 allows you to control whether your device sends data to Google to help improve performance, battery life, and overall system stability. Here's how you do it. First, tap on the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the Quick Settings panel, then tap on the Settings icon. Scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Next, scroll down to the Privacy section, and then tap on More Privacy Settings. Here, tap on Usage and Diagnostics. At the top, you'll find a toggle switch. Tap it to turn Usage and Diagnostics on or off. When this feature is enabled, some data about your device and app usage will be sent to Google to help improve your Android experience, including battery life, system stability, and app performance. Once you've adjusted the setting to your preference, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.